Adobe Premiere Pro, export only audio, not the video. Fix. Problem solved. Step 1 is to drag the video that you want to fix the video and transform it into an audio. The next step is to add an endpoint by clicking I and then go to the end of the clip and click O. The next step is to click Ctrl+M on your keyboard. This will bring up the export settings. Now you guys may be familiar that I make videos similar like this, where we're basically transforming the video and changing it or transform it into an MP3 audio or an audio file only. So under the format, click the drop down arrow and then locate where it says MP3. And in the preset, do the same thing and click the third option, which is the highest quality audio. So this is what's going to fix the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Click your output name, save it, and then click export. And this is the before. And this is the after. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist for more and subscribe to the channel.